Start with 1¼ cups of warm water and dissolve 5 teaspoons or 2 packets of yeast. In a mixing bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of rolled oats and 2 cups of boiling hot water. Then add 2 teaspoons of salt and either 1/4 cup of light molasses, or you can use brown sugar, or you can even use honey. And then we'll add 4 tablespoons of butter and just start mixing everything together until your butter melts. Add 1/2 cup of ground flax seeds, 1 cup of rye flour, 1/2 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and 1/3 cup of unprocessed bran. Then go ahead and add your yeast water, and you can start blending everything together. You should have a very thick consistency, like thick oatmeal at this point. Now we'll add 6 to 7 cups of unbleached bread flour. Use more for dusting. Start blending everything together. Check your consistency. If it's really sticky and wet, just keep adding small amounts of bread flour and knead until you have a really nice, well put together, soft dough. This is a really big batch. We're making 3 loaves, so it's going to take a lot of kneading. You're going to want to turn this out onto a clean surface and knead this very well, up to about 8 minutes. It's important that you knead your flour very well. It's how we get our gluten development for a nice, soft, puffy bread. So don't skip this step. Don't cut it too short. That's when you end up with a hard bread that's like a brick. So just keep working with it. Keep kneading it, and you will end up with a very soft dough. Don't add too much flour. Don't dry it out. So as you can see, I just keep coming back and kneading and kneading and kneading. A good 8 to 10 minutes is what we're looking for with this much bread dough. If your dough pulls apart really easily, it's not there yet. Keep kneading. Place it into a clean bowl and cover it, and to rise, this is going to take about 1.5 hours until it's doubled in bulk. Then we're going to punch it down and turn it out for shaping. So like I said, we're making 3 loaves of this bread. So we're going to want to cut this into 3 equal portions and shape it for the loaf pan. I was originally going to try for 4 loaves, but there wasn't quite enough dough for 4. So you see me cutting 4 pieces out here, but I do eventually put a couple of them back together and do only 3 loaves. So I'm just shaping my dough so that I get a nice even loaf. I don't want any holes or weird shapes to the top of it. So I'm just rolling and pressing and rolling and pressing, making sure everything's coming together pretty evenly inside of the actual loaf and shaping it. And then I'm going to butter 3 loaf pans. So I just butter them very evenly and thickly. I don't use cooking spray, so my go-to is butter. You can use cooking spray if that's what you prefer. Once these are buttered, you want to put your loaves inside of the pans and cover them to rise again for 1 hour or until then go ahead and bake at 375 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Cool only slightly and then remove from the pan and cool completely before cutting. Enjoy!